Assalamu alaikum friends. So today in this lecture I'm gonna show you how to switch between different scenes. So let I have when I run this my program. These are two buttons. When I click this button, it should show me the another scene. So how to switches between scenes? Let's do it. So this is my main class. In this class, this fxml file is loaded, main page, and another scene is create account.fxml. So when I run it in scene builder, let's show this file. So this is this type of file, create account. Now I want to load this file. When I click to that create button, so these are in same package and in same file. The controller of this create account is present in another package of this. As you can see, this is a controller of that creator, and this is another class of from which I will handle this controller. So in this controller of main, when I click to that create button, this area is executed as you can see. So if I click this button of create, now this area is executed, create button is clicked. So now in this create button I will execute the new scene. This is event handling. I created a video on that, so if you can check that video how to handle events in that. So now let's load the file of fxml. Now in this, in executing of this, I will fxml loader equals new fxml loader, and this I will load this the same class get resources of, and in this I'm gonna give a file path which is create account. In my case, create account.fxml. So this file will be loaded. So this loading technique is same as you can see in my main. So here I also load the XML file of main page, and in the same package now I am loading another file which is of create name. So these are some. So this is my object name of parent, and in this I will parent fxml loader dot load. Now this will be loaded, and not create a stage, another stage of stage equals new stage Now this is stage. Now let's set a title of this stage. So okay, get rid of this title. Okay, set title. Now give the title of create account. Let's suppose this is my creation. Now stage dot set scene. Now the scene is my my root. In my case, my root is my object name, and now stage dot show. This will show me the new stage. So if I run this and click to that create button, this area will be executed, and in this area I have switch a new scene. I have loaded a new fxml file, as you can see, create account, and this is in the same package in same path. So keep this in mind. So if I run this, I think I get a mistake. Okay, I forgot to add catch block, and this I will be handling exception of e. Now s out, if I get the error of something, then just show me that this is not loaded, can't load the scene. Now if I run this and let's Now if I press this button, this scene is loaded correctly. After pressing this button, this area, this as you can see, event.get, so equal. After pressing this button, this area is executed, and in this area, the new scene is loaded correctly, and as you can see, the task is successful. Now let's make our code little clean. Now I want to load this file and I want to work this in my new package. As you can see, when I click on to the create button, it is working in this same package of my main. Now I want to work on this in my another package, which is create. Now in this, as I said, that this controller is the controller of this fxml file main creator account, and in this is the name of static function. It is main or whatever you name it, it will work. Now let's copy this whole, and I want to add it here to make my code little clean. Now if I run this will not work, because first point is that create account.fxml file is not present in this package, it is present in another package. So if I copy this in this file, it will also not work, because this get class is getting the previous scene from that package. The previous scene is loaded in this package, and this is in different class, so this line will not work. The file will be failed to execute. Now let's copy this load file and comment it out in this, and in this controller just paste this. Now this is the in this package the scene is loaded, the first scene, the first stage is loaded, and this will get the another. Now in this I want to fxml loader, this will get the object, this function will get the object of loader file. Now here you can see I have loaded it successfully. Now let's call to that main function, which is present in create account dot main. This is the static function, and in this just give the object of this loader file. This is another file, it should be present here, and now I want to work on this in my another package, so it will make my code a little clean. So let's run this again, it should work fine, and now it will be working like that. Okay, now this another scene is loaded correctly. How it works, now let's explain it a little bit. When I press the button of create, as you can see in the main controller, this area is called. Now in this area another fxml file is loaded into that object, and I send this object. Instead of working on this in this area to make my code little clean, I have called to the class which is present in create account, and the controller of this file is also present there, so therefore I want to work on this file there. Now I send this object here, and here I receive the object which is loaded, and in this I add the code of setting the scene, which is another scene. In this way you can switch between scenes. In the previous first method that was also good, but in this the code is little clean. As you can see, the code is looking very clean. So in another lecture I will show some more tricks. So that's all for today.